How in business, it's as simple as sell an apple, sell it and buy two. Only thing is, nobody tells you where to get that first apple. The first apple is a gentle introduction to the subject. Video today I'm going to show you the types of making money on cryptocurrency without investing. I'll tell you how my friend with zero in his pocket made it to the team with a year's profit. More than $2 million. Give me a like and subscribe, and I'll give you an interesting and useful video. Enjoy watching, and yes, contest. I haven't forgotten. Here are the past 3 winners. The prizes have been sent. And for those of you watching me, for the first time I remind you in the next video 100 USDT will go to 3 random people of those who have watched the entire video and wrote a comment. Let's get to the topic. Video: how to make money in cryptocurrency without investments, and in general it is possible or not. I have 3 simple ways for you. Let's analyze each one in detail. The list is compiled by the last one. Is not the easiest way, but it's incredibly lucrative. Look at each option and find the one that's right for you. The first way, crypto faucets. Earning on crypto. Cryptocurrencies. In June 2010, a developer named Gavin Andresen created a website that gave away 5 BTC each for simply solving a CAPTCHA he called his Crypto Crane. In fact, it was the very first cryptocurrency project in history. In 2010, 5 Bitcoins was $2, and at the current price, it's already more than $140,000. And how to make money on it now? First of all, you'll need to sign up for a faucet and have your own cryptocurrency wallet. Then you will perform tasks such as viewing ads, CAPTCHA solution, or even just clicking on a button. Unfortunately, it's impossible to earn a lot there. For example, one of the oldest projects pays 8 satoshis. That's that much Bitcoin for 1 CAPTCHA. In rubles, it is a measly 50 kopecks. To earn at least $10 a day. You'll need to work on dozens of these sites and spend most of your day if such a thing is suitable. Forward link I left in the description. But if you need more, look further. The second way, crypto boxes. How to earn without investment. Second way, crypto boxes. This is the easiest way, and it's 5 times more profitable than the previous one. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance more than a year ago introduced an interesting feature: gifts with cryptocurrency inside. It's a great opportunity to attract an audience and earn. To get the cryptocurrency and the box script you will need, just enter its code into the application. Binance is shown in the video, but now there is a question. So where to get these codes? I'm going to show you a couple of options. We go to the Telemeter website, and here we search for crypto boxes, and we've got a whole list of channels where these codes are published daily on a free. I personally know more than 50 for the test. I personally tested this method for 24 hours. I managed to earn $23.60 in different cryptocurrency. In rubles is more than 2,000. A lot of time it doesn't take. The only thing you need to be fast and keep your phone with you at all times. I want to remind you that the average salary in Russia, 1860 rubles a day, but it's not for anyone. Secret that the real amount is even lower. I forgot to mention one more thing on the Binance exchange. There is a promotion where for each invited you get 1 more box with up to $3 in it. I invited 2 friends from the boxes. I got a total of $2.18. And for your convenience, I'll leave a link to the chat room where there are approximately 200 to 300 crypto boxes. This way of making money is very underrated. Get into it, how it works, and you can start making $50. Let's do that. Now I'm going to tell you a bonus about a promotion at Binance where you're guaranteed to make $25 from your account with minimal effort, and you subscribe to the channel take my code from the description and activate it, and you'll be taken to a mission. Poeto Moon. Here you create your own box on the 900 activation by spending just 1 cent, and you start sharing your code in all sorts of chat rooms. And once the number of activations reaches 900 from the exchange, you'll get a free $25. That number of activations, it's easy to collect. Easy. I've already tested it, and remember, you can do it from even 10 accounts and get a good income. I've kept my promise. Now I'm waiting for your subscription. Thank you. I agree. It's a lot of money. Pennies, but to earn something from scratch. And anyway, it's not an easy task, and remember, you need to build up some startup Without that, there's no way I'm telling you to do this kind of work for the rest of your life. Let's move on to the last and most lucrative method, but unfortunately I've fooled you, and this is where we're going to need minimal investment, usually up to $10. But the prospect of making money from one project is huge, and the profit will be counted not in tens but in hundreds and thousands of dollars. The third way, airdrops. A few months. Third way, crypto airdrops. How to earn on cryptocurrency airdrops. Giveaways. Promising airdrops. Where to look for new airdrops. Back such a crypto project. How to autos. Held an airdrop where users who participated received between 150 and 300 of the project's tokens at the current exchange rate. That's more than $1,000 for one account, and dozens of them could be made. Not a bad figure. We agreed. 99% of people find out about these giveaways when they're already over, and they get greedy and they go into different slags where they only lose money. Despite the fact that this option of earning money is low risk, people still manage to lose money there alone. A colleague of mine has built a whole business on such airdrops, and from giving out aptos, he's made more than $760,000 to do it. It only took a team of 9, and this guy started with crypto boxes, and he's grown into an entire business, and you can say it's luck and airdrop like this once every 100 years, but I'll give you some more examples. Arbitrium gave out an average of $1,800 in investments of less than $50 per account. The money was given away just for being in musical note proudly in a group of $1,900 each musical note. No investment was required by unis. WAB in 2020 awarded 400 tokens to everyone who made a single exchange on this exchange at the time. A user of the platform received $1,200. However, those who waited just a year were able to sell their 400 tokens for as much as at $42 at the peak, which amounted to about $17,000. Projects like this appear very often. Your job is not to miss them. That's the hard part. The part about finding out about these projects in advance. There are several options. Crypto calendars. Most of these platforms have built-in filters that allow you to capture exclusively future airdrops, for example. Convenient in this regard is CoinMarketCap. Select the airdrop filter and the calendar shows the nearest planned airdrops. Good projects appear there, quite rarely, but chances are there is a site to Falama if we're looking for projects that haven't yet launched their own token and haven't announced airdrop. You'll be fine. This service, go to the DeFi tab. Airdrops, we will see a page with protocols that don't have their own tokens, but airdrop is possible in the future. Many users who have received awards from Arbitrium have acted in this exact scenario. Links to all resources will of course be in the description of. Binance has recently created Binance airdrop portal platform where publishes upcoming token giveaways and as well as the conditions under which they can be to take part. There are very often published really interesting projects, but you can do it even easier. Go to my Telegram channel there. I will write about promising airdrops. The link is in the description. Meet me there.